Okay, honey. So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid monthly reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March 2025. It's general reading. It's not a love or career or anything specific kind of reading, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and it's life changing. Yeah. Let's start. Aquarius. Overall energy for Aquarius people for the rest of the month of March 2025 is, let's say, mhm. We have the Empress. So you are going to be very much focused on this growth and expansion kind of energy of your life. You are going to be like, I should connect with my feminine side, my creative side, and create something really beautiful for my future. So you are going to be in this energy of how to make my future more comfortable, more beautiful, more happy. That's going to be your focus area. It's your personal energy that you are going to deal with. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Aquarius. Okay, in the recent past only you started this quest of going in this direction of creating something really beautiful, giving birth to something creative. For some of you it was a literal birth that you were focused on, literal pregnancy. Okay, currently we have this energy of Six of Swords. You are in this quest of um letting go of the past people, situations and things, and basically letting go of lot of past baggages that you were still carrying with you, one day at a time, trying, trying. By the end of this month we have the Seven of Swords, something coming out that was supposed to come out maybe long time ago, but it's now coming out. Okay, let's see, let's clarify the Empress in the recent past for you guys, Aquarius. We have this Ten of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups in the recent past. So you are no longer waiting for something or someone to show up in your life so that you can be happy. In the recent past, you decided that you are going to be your own, what we call that, Prince Charming or Princess Charming or whatever you call that, and you are going to give yourself all the love of the universe that you wanted, maybe from somebody else or something else. But something in you shifted on a bigger level, on a deeper level, and you understood the power of self love, and you felt like, okay, wait is over. I'm going to do whatever I feel like is good for me, and I'm going to give myself all the love of the universe that I always wanted from somebody else. That lesson you got in a very, very beautiful way and you implemented. Currently we have the Six of Swords, letting go of the past baggages one day at a time. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here, honey, Aquarius. We have this the Sun card, the Six of Wands, the Six of Swords. Very beautiful, very, very beautiful. Aquarius, you are telling me I am very clear about what I want in my life, about how I want it, the real happiness, the real deal, the victory, the success. I know how I'm going to get it. I know how I want it in my life, and I'm going to work on that. And I'm working on that one day at a time, Anjali. I'm letting go of everything or everyone that's not resonating with my energies anymore. Even if it is painful for me, I'm doing that because I know what real happiness means, because I know what I want in my life, and boom, I'm going forward to like get my happiness. It's just on the way, it's just nearby. I know that, right? So you are telling me all this, wow, in a very, very beautiful, in a very positive way. Right now you are in the most positive phase of your life where you know what you want. You are pretty sure, pretty clear. You are also aware of the traumas and the past baggages, and you are letting them go one by one. Very good, fantastically beautiful energy, Aquarius. This is the kind of energy that we talk about. Align with your energies, be true to yourself, be honest with yourself, be clear. This is the kind of energy that all the spiritual people, spiritual gurus and tarot readers keeps on telling to other people to get. So you are on the right track right now, beautifully aligned. Yeah, and I don't see a lot of challenges or obstacles because you are making your path very, very smooth for yourself. Wow, fantastic. Now by the end of this month we have the Seven of Swords. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. Okay, we have this Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. So something is going to be revealed to you that is going to straight away send you to this energy of getting out of a situation and never looking back. You are going to be like a hidden truth coming out, and that's going to change the whole course of your life in a positive way. Even if it is going to feel like a burdensome and heavy kind of energy, letting something or someone go out of your system or life, this is going to change the course of your life for the rest of your life in a very, very, very positive way. Aquarius, trust me on that, because this is something that you require in order to get this manifestation of yours that you're working on right now at this present moment. So it's a part of your manifestation, it's part of game. Yeah, it's a part of the game that you're playing with the universe, and universe is blessing you with something that needs to be removed out of your life, out of your system, out of your energies, in order to get the kind of happiness that you want and you deserve. Kudos, congratulations, Aquarius. I'm so, so happy for you. The guidance here is the Seven of Wands. Protect your energies at any cost, because right now your energies are very good, very beautiful, at the same time very vulnerable too. So you might end up attracting people in your life that might need your help, and they might end up draining you, right? So instead of being responsible for everybody else's happiness and helping others, help yourself first. Once you are going to be in this energy of sorting it out for yourself and being in this energy of now I can help others, you can definitely help others, and you should by all means. But right now, protect your energies at any cost and keep yourself in this shell of creating strong boundaries, right? So help yourself first before helping others. That's the deal. Wow, Aquarius. I'm so happy for you guys. Boom. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.